Hi, this is Ankita Chilappa, founder of Moment to Moment Living. We work with organizations and individuals to help them live a productive, meaningful, loving, and joyful life. I was waiting for the elevator yesterday as I came out from my office, and there were a few bunch of people sitting there on the staircase talking to each other. And I heard one person say very clearly, "Please call everybody right now, because later on, I don't want to be blamed for everything." So am I the problem? And yes, the I is the problem. Because the I wants to look good. The I wants to put the other person down. And the I does not want to accept mistakes. So when it comes to organizations or when it comes to families, the separation of I would not work. So become conscious. Whenever the I is coming in the communication, just become conscious. Because the more conscious you become, the less it loses its value. Thank you.